Okay.
Let me share this screen right here. All right, you can see it, right? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so which one you want to do? You want to start from 8?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, read number 8 for me.
In the accompanying diagram, DE is parallel to BC.
Yep.
DB equals 6 and AE equals 8.
Okay.
If EC is 3 times AD, find AD.
Okay, so in the accompanying diagram, DE, line segment DE is parallel to BC. That means that this line right here is parallel to this line right here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
DB equals 6. Where's DB? DB right there. That's 6. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
AE is 8. This is 8 right here. There's 8. Okay. If EC, which is, where's EC? EC is this right here. EC right there is 3 times AD, which is 3 times this. So basically, what can we write right here? What variable can we write right there? That length versus this length. What variable is x and what variable is 3x? Which one is x and which one is 3x?
X is AD and 3X is EC.
Exactly. Good. We'll put an x there and we'll put a 3x here, right? Okay, so
Yeah.
we have to find AD, which is this one right here, right? Where the x is. So what ratios can we set up? Okay, so one thing I got to tell you, if you hear me say ratios, that's the same thing as fractions, right? Ratio just means fraction, and it also means what did you say earlier? You said proportions?
Is a equation saying two ratios are equal?
Yeah, ratio. If you hear me say ratios, fraction, or proportions, that's all. Those all mean the same thing. Okay. You know what a fraction is. If you know what a fraction is, you know what a ratio is. If you know what a ratio is, you know what a proportion is. Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to find AD. So what ratio or what proportions can we set up? So think about this. Think about small triangle on the top, and big triangle on the bottom. Set up a ratio that shows the small triangle on the top, which is this one. This is the small one, right? The one on top, and the big one, which is ABC. Okay, you see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
The small
Um,
triangle would be ADE, and the big one would be ABC. All right.
yeah.
All right. What's the ratio?
AD
AD. Okay. Over.
DB
Okay. AD over DB. Okay. Equals what?
AE over EC.
AE over EC. Okay, so you're saying AD, which is X, over DB, which is 6. And then you're saying AE, which is 8, over EC, which is 3X. Okay, let's try that. AD is what? X. All right, let's do it like this. No, let's do it like this. Let's write it underneath, okay? AD is what?
X
Over what?
6
Equals what?
8 over 3X.
8 over 3X. Okay, good. Okay, now what?
Cross multiply.
Okay, so what do we get if we cross multiply?
Mm,
What's X times 3X?
3X?
It'll be 3X squared. X times X would be X squared, right?
Yeah.
3X, and what's 6 times 8?
48.
Okay, good. So 3X equals 48. Now what?
Divide by 3.
Exactly, good. X squared equals what? What's 48 divided by 3?
16.
Good. So if x squared equals 16, what's x?
Is it half of 16?
Not half of 16, but the root of 16. What's root of 16?
4.
There you go. So x equals 4. AD equals 4. Okay.
Uh-huh.
But here's your final answer. Okay.
Yeah.
So the idea is just to set up the right ratio. Okay. As long as you set up the right ratio and your algebra, and you don't make any mistakes with the algebra, you should get the right answer. Okay. All right. Any questions on that one?
No.
That one's pretty straightforward, right? That one's pretty easy. Okay. So write that down or take a picture of that. Oops. What did I just do? What am I doing here?
Okay, I finished.
Okay. You wrote it down, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me erase. I'm going to erase it. All right. We skip to 11. We skip to 11 or is there number 9?
This is number.
Oh yeah, number 9's underneath. Okay. In the accompanying diagram of similar triangles, ABE and ACD, ABC, AED, AB equals 6, BC equals 3, and ED equals 4. Find the length of AE. Okay, so we're just going to label some of this stuff here. Okay, so they're saying that triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACD. Okay. Where's ABE? AB is this one on the left. Okay. And ACD is the big one, the whole thing. Okay. All right. So now what does it say? It says ABC line segment ABC AB equals 6, BC equals 3, and ED equals 4. Okay. Find the length of AE. So we're trying to find this length right here. All right. What's the ratio?
3 over 6 equals 4 over x.
So you're saying, tell me in terms of letters first.
Oh. CB
CB over
BA
CB over BA. Okay. Equals what?
DE over AE or EA.
EE over EA. All right. Let's see if that makes sense. CB 3. CB 3 over 6 equals 4 over X, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. This is what we're going to do. Okay. You see the small triangle, right? You see this triangle right here? ABE.
Mm-hmm.
And then you see the bigger triangle, right? This
Yeah.
one, ACD, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna set up ratios using those triangles because it tells us that their two triangles are similar. So what you're gonna instead of CB here, you're gonna say, uh, let's see if that makes sense. You're gonna say, okay, let me write it like this. Let me see if this makes sense to you. Like I was trying to describe this to you on the first question. So um, we're gonna say triangle A B E on top and triangle A C D on the bottom. A C D. Okay, so tell me in terms of this whole distance. What's this whole distance? What's this distance over this whole distance? So tell me, what's A B E? What's this right here?
6.
Okay, so we're gonna write 6. What's the whole distance?
9.
Okay, there you go. 9. Now we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. This is going to be equal to the small triangle, which is, what's this distance?
X.
Okay, good. And now what's this whole distance?
4.
Just add these two together.
4x.
4x plus 4, x plus 4.
Oh.
Right? If this was 3, the total distance would be 7, right? You just add them two together, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the bottom distance would be x plus 4. Okay, so there's your ratio. We're going to say small triangle over big triangle. Okay, 6 is your small triangle. There's your small triangle over the whole thing. There's your big triangle. Same thing on the bottom. Small triangle. No, sorry, this one's a small triangle over the whole thing. Because we got to set it up like that because they gave us this in the question. The two triangles are similar. Okay. All right, so let's solve the algebra. Solve the algebra. How do you solve the algebra? Cross multiply. All right, cross multiply for me. These
9.
Yep.
9x
Equals what? 6x plus.
4.
Remember, you gotta distribute it, right?
Oh, yeah.
So like 6x plus what? 6x. What's 6 times 4?
24.
24. Okay. Now what do we do? Now what?
Divide.
No, not yet. Take the 6. You're going to subtract 6x on both sides. If you subtract 6x on both sides, what do you get?
3x
Equals.
24.
Okay, so 3x equals 24. What's x? 24 divided by 3?
8.
There you go. X equals 8. Okay. So this right here is 8. Okay. So on these questions, make sure you write the small triangle on top and the big triangle on the bottom. Just like right here, right? Small triangle on the top, big triangle on the bottom. Small triangle, big triangle. Small triangle, big triangle. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. All right, that's 9. Any questions on 9?
No.
You got it written down?
Yeah.
Or take a picture? Can I erase it?
Yeah.
All right. All right, 10. How many questions you got here? 2 pages? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we did 8, we did 9. Okay, what's 10?
Like the question?
Yeah, tell me what's the ratio? So they're saying DE, there's DE, DE and BC are parallel. Okay, AD is 10. So this little bit right here is 10. And AB is 24. If AD is 24, they're saying AB is 24. AB is 24. What's BD? What's from here to here? If the whole thing is 24, what is DB?
14.
There you go, 14. And AC is 36. They're saying this whole distance right here is 36. Okay, the whole thing. And they're asking you to find AE, which is this little bit right there. Okay, set up the small triangle over a big triangle. What's the ratio? Write the small triangle on top, write the big one on the bottom. Small triangle over big triangle. What's the ratio?
10.
Okay, tell me 10 over what? 10 over what? There's a small triangle. This little bit. What's this whole thing?
Oh, 24.
Okay, equals what? Small over big.
X. equals 36.
X over 36, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now, so we cross multiply. 24x equals, what's 36 times 10? Just add a 0.
360.
Okay, good. Now divide both sides by 24. So x equals what? What's 360 divided by 24?
15.
There you go. Right? It's all about setting up the right ratio. We have to make sure this is right. If that's right, then the algebra is the easy part. Okay.
Mm.
So if this is 15 right here, how much is this from there to there? EC. If the whole thing's 36, this is 15. How much is this?
21.
There you go. There you go. That's it. Any questions on that?
No.
It's just a matter of practice. All these questions are the same thing. It's just a matter of practice now. Same idea on all these questions. Set up the right ratio. All right. You got 10? Can I erase it?
Yeah.
All right. 10. All right. 11. Where's 11? Okay, 11. All right. Tell me what the ratio is. Those are parallel. AD is 3. There's your 3. AB is 9. What's DB? If AB is 9, what's DB?
6.
Good. And they're saying AE is 5. Okay, and they're asking you for EC. What's the ratios? Small,
3,
small triangle over. Yep, 3 over.
9,
Good. Equals what?
5
Over
over x.
x plus 5. X plus 5. Right? We want the whole distance, right?
Yeah.
Just like over here, we wanted the whole distance. We got 9. So just add them together. Just add them together. X plus 5 would be the bottom here. Okay? All right, now cross multiply. What's this line right here?
3x
Good.
plus 15.
Good. Equals 9 times 5.
45.
Okay, good. Now what do you do to both sides?
Subtract 15.
Good. So this will cancel out, right? So 3x equals, what's 45 minus 15?
20.
30, right? 30. Now what do you do? Right? 45 minus 15, that's 30. 0, 3, right? 30.
Oh, I just.
All right, so 3x equals 30. Now what do you do?
Divide.
Divide by what?
3.
Okay, so what's 30 divided by 3?
10.
There you go. See, everything's based off of this ratio right here. Okay. Once you set up the right ratio, you should be good. Any question on that one?
No.
All right, let's go to 12. Can you write on the screen? I want you to write on the screen so you can get the hang of it. See in the Zoom box where your name is, there should be a button that says annotate.
I have like a pencil button. It lets me draw.
Yeah, press that pencil button. Yeah.
Okay, I pressed it.
All right, now see where it says, do you see draw? Can you write on the screen after you press that pencil button?
Yeah.
Okay, so you do 12. You do 12. Can I erase 11?
Yeah.
All right, so you're gonna set up the ratio for 12. Because remember, you got to do this on the test next week, right? So it's just good practice for next week. Okay, tell me, what should we do for 12?
Set up the ratio.
Okay, so what's the right ratio? In the company diagram, AC is parallel to DE, AB equals 4, BC equals 6, and BD equals 3. What's the length of BE? All right, so label everything on the diagram and set up the ratio. There you go. BC equals 6. Okay, and BD equals 3. Okay, good. Now set up the ratios just like we did on the other questions. Small triangle on top, big triangle on the bottom. What's the, yeah, 3 over, yeah, what? Good. Equals. What do they want us to find? They want us to find BE. There you go. All right, good. Keep going. Now just cross multiply. BD equals 3. That's right. And they're saying AB equals 4. Okay, so 3 over 4, yep, equals B, which is X over 6. Okay, yep. 4X equals, okay, good, good. Yeah, now divide by, what are you going to divide by?
4.
Okay, so what's 18 divided by 4?
4.5.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. 9 over 2, right? 4.5. So which one? C, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Now you got it. You got it. All you need now is just more repetitions of this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what I mean by repetitions is just go over more and more questions. Right?
Yeah.
The more questions you go over, the faster it gets, and the better you are. All right. So 12 is good. All right, let's try 13. Or write down 12 if you didn't write it down yet.
I finished.
All right. All right, 13. In the accompanying diagram of triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC, BD equals 2, B equals 4, BE equals 4, DA equals 5. Find the length of BC. Find the length of BC. Good. There you go. Good. Over equals what? Good. There you go. There you go. Cross multiply. You're halfway there already. 2x equals what?
4
times 7?
48.
28. 28. There you go. Divide both sides by 2. What do you get?
14.
You go. There you go. You got it. You got it. You got it. That's it. See how easy it is after you practice a little bit?
Yeah.
Now, remember I said small triangle over big triangle? You could do it the other way too. You could put big triangle on top and small triangle on the bottom. It doesn't matter which way you do it, as long as you stay consistent on the second ratio. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But if you just want to stick with small triangle on the top, but big triangle on the bottom, that's fine. Okay. All right, 13. Let me erase 13. You wrote down 13 already?
Yeah.
All right. I can erase 12 and 13.
Yeah.
Now you should get an A next week on your test. Is there more review after these 2 pages? Is there more review like this week, later this week?
I think so.
Yeah. All right. Or how many more? 14, 15. All right. We'll finish these 3, then maybe we'll If we have time, we'll go over some other stuff. All right, 14. What you got for 14? Good. 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 And they're asking for FB. Good. There you go. There you go. That's it. Okay, so what do you know about 4 over 16? Can you reduce it? What is
Mm.
4? What is 4 over 16 the same thing as?
2/8.
Exactly. And what's 2 over 8 the same as? 1 over 4.
4.
Yep. So write 1 over 4 equals x over 20. So all we did was reduce this one. All we're going to do is reduce this one, right? To 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 equals x over 20. Now cross multiply. Okay. You'll get the same answer. You'll get the same answer. All right. Cross multiply this one. There you go. X equals. There you go. There you go. You're on your way. You're on your way to an A, Jalen.
Yes.
You're on your way to an A. Just keep putting the work in. Okay. That's 14. Okay, 15. You want to write that one down? Write 14 down.
Oh yeah, I wrote that one down.
Okay. Let me move this page down. Pretty straightforward, right? As long as you set up the right ratio, you're good. All right, 15. All right, what's 15? Yep. Yep. Okay, what's the ratio? Yep. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So you got small triangle over big triangle, right?
Yeah.
Small triangle on top, and you got the big triangle on the bottom, right? What if we flipped it? What if we did 18 over x, or 18 over 8 equals 27 over x? Will we get the same answer? Will we get the same answer for x? Now on this one, I have the big triangle on top, and I have small triangle on the bottom. Will we get the same answer?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. All right. But if you want to keep it like this, it's okay. I just want to tell you that you can flip it, but as long as you stay consistent on this second proportion, you'll be okay. All right. Go ahead. Can you reduce 8 over 18?
Um
8 over 18 is the same as what? Divide by, what's the biggest number that goes into both?
4.
4 doesn't go into 18.
Oh no, sorry, that was the top one. 9.
Well, 9 doesn't go into 8 though, right?
No, 9 goes into 18.
Yeah, that's true, but it doesn't go into 8. What's the
Oh,
biggest number that goes into both?
4.
Well, 4 doesn't go into 18, right? It's 2. It's 2, right?
Oh.
So what's 8 divided by 2?
4.
And what's 18 divided by 2?
9.
Okay, so switch the 8 over 18 into 4 over 9. Then cross multiply. Would we get the same answer if we left it as 8 over 18?
Yeah.
We would get the same answer, but the math would be harder. We would have to multiply larger numbers. But we would get the same answer though. Okay. So write 4 over 9 equals x over 27, then cross multiply. Okay, what's okay, 9x is what's 4 times 27? 9x equals what?
108.
Yes. Okay, now divide both sides by 9, and you should get what? What's 99 divided by 9?
11.
So what's 108 divided by 9?
12.
There you go. X equals 12. Okay, so leave that answer right there. Now, let's go back. Let's back up for a second. So see how we reduced this fraction? Or sorry,
Yeah.
we reduced those two, right? So look, let's keep the 8 over 18 and let's cross multiply it right there. So we'd get 18x equals, you got a calculator phone with you? Multiply 27 times 8 for me. What's 27 times 8? Or just do it on the sheet here.
486.
486. Now divide that by 18. Is that 12? What's 486 divided by 18?
27.
That means that this is wrong. 27 times, no, 27 times 8 can't be 486. This is wrong. Do 27 times 8 for me. It's 200 and something.
216.
200, how much?
16.
216. Okay. Now take your 216 and divide by 18. That's 12.
12.
There you
Yeah.
go. So what I'm trying to get to you, what I'm trying to show you is it doesn't matter if we left the 8 over 18 here or we reduced the 4 over 9. We would get the same answer. But see, this math right here is a little bit harder than that math right there. Okay, but you end up multiplying the same numbers anyways. Oops. Okay, did you write that one down? Write that one down. This
Yeah, I
is
got
8 over 18 here. This is 4 over 9 here. Got it?
Yeah.
You good on that one?
Yeah.
All right, I think we got one more to do. You got another sheet after this that you want to do?
Um
I think we gotta do 16. All right, do 16 for me.
okay.
And then your teacher told me you guys are on chapter 9.
Yeah.
All right, you got any more questions you want to do after 16?
Hold on. Let me check.
The students have the notes packet and the worksheets for this chapter. We will be finishing this chapter in order before next Thursday's test. Or is there any other homework you want to go over chapter 9 after this?
I don't think I have any more homework that I haven't done already.
Okay, all right, let's finish 16 and then we can see what we can do.
Okay.
And how's your teacher? Is she a good teacher? Does she explain everything to you good or what?
Yeah.
She explains it good? You understand it?
Yeah.
Does she give you class notes? Does she write stuff on the board?
Yeah.
Okay, so those class notes, make sure you write down everything.
Okay.
And it's not enough to write it down. When you get home after school, read those notes that you wrote in class and understand them. Okay? She's giving you the notes for a reason. It's for these questions, to do the homework questions. Okay, if PR is 12, RQ is 8, PS is 21. What is PT? Okay, set up the ratios.
Mm,
12 over what? There you go. What's that ratio? Yep. Over. Okay. Okay, so here. What's wrong with that ratio? One thing that's wrong. What's wrong?
the X,
Okay, what should it be?
21X.
We're saying this part is X right here, right?
Yeah.
So what's this whole distance right here? From there to there. What's that distance?
21X.
Not 21X, but
Well, X plus 21.
X plus 21. So fix the second ratio. This one is good. What's wrong? Fix this one. What's There you go. There you go. All right, cool. Now do it. Now okay, so reduce your 12 out of 20, then cross multiply. What's 12 out of 20 the same as?
Um,
So 12 out of 20, right? What's the biggest number that goes into both? Okay, now divide by 2, divide by 2. It is 6 out of 10, but this could still be reduced. To what? 6 out of 10 the same as
3
over
over
5. Okay. So 12 over 20 equals 3 over 5. That's why I ask you what's the biggest number, because if you don't pick the biggest number, you'll have to reduce again. So this would be 4. The biggest number is 4, right? 12 divided by 4, 3. 20 divided by 4, 5. You can skip this step if you pick the biggest number here. Okay. All right. So change the 12 over 20 to 3 over 5. You could have left that. You could have left the first fraction.
okay.
What was it?
12 over 20.
Yeah. So this will be 12 over 20, and then on the next line, you'll reduce it to 3 over 5 here. Yep. There you go. Equals 21 over x plus 21. Now you cross multiply. There you go. All right. Okay. Cross multiply now. 3x plus what's 21 times 3?
63.
Yep. So 3x plus 63 equals what's 21 times 5? What's 20 times 5?
80.
That's 20 times 4. What's 20 times 5?
100.
Okay, that's right. So what's 21 times 5?
105.
105, exactly. Equals 105. Don't forget the 3. Don't 63. 3x plus 63.
Oh.
Forgot the 3. (21 times 3, 63). Yep. Equals 105. Okay, now what? What are you going to do to both sides?
Subtract 63.
Okay, good. So 3x equals, what's 105 minus 63?
42. Oh, yeah.
Yep. Okay, so 3x equals 42. Right, this will cancel right here. That'll cancel right there. Okay, so divide both sides by 3. What's 42 divided by 3?
14.
There you go. There you go. Got it. You got it. You're on your way to an A plus. All right. The hardest part was not on that question was just getting this part right, right?
Yeah.
If you had x there, this would not work out to 14, right? This would work out to something else. So make sure you set up the right ratio. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
All right. So you got any other homework questions you want to go over? Or any other questions from the past that you want to go over? Did you write down 16? Can you hear me? Jalen? I can't hear you. Type in the chat if you can hear me. Are you still with me? You still with me, Jalen?